Hey guys, welcome back. Just real quick, just want to do a video on a 2-row 3-ring kit for Polaris Slingshot that is going out tomorrow. This is going out to Anitra up in Maryland. I've got a 3-row kit going to Jesse in Colorado. I've got a couple more kits that I'm working on still. I've got to do. I just want to show these off real quick and how they work. You've seen them in some other videos. We'll build these for cars, trucks, golf carts, the Slingshot. I can do them for motorcycles, but you have to be local because it's a different process. If you're looking for something like this, click the video description below and go to the link that'll take you to the website. Go through some of the things we have on the website, but you'll find these here. And you can choose anywhere from a 1-row all the way up to a 6-row, depending on how big and bad you want to be on the block, right? If you don't want, say, there's some guys in your neighborhood's got, 2 rows or 3 rows. I mean, you can outdo them pretty easily. We go up to a 6-row. These are fully waterproof. For the Slingshot, 2 out of 3 brackets are already mounted. That way, it makes it real easy. You just loosen this bolt right here, flip these 180, and then tighten them back up, and then they go behind the caliper bracket bolts. There's actually another video we have showing you how to do the install on the Polaris Slingshot from start to finish, literally everything. So if you have any questions, check that out. If it doesn't answer all your questions, then just send me a message. Let me know what you got. One thing that I can promise is that, another thing we can do too is we can double the same amount of LEDs per row. So in other words, where you see these copper pads, there's literally another LED right there. So you can double the amount of LEDs. So really, really, really awesome shit. What else? One of the things you'll find is these are going to be the cheapest you're going to find anywhere else. With its Slingshot, with its cars, trucks, whatnot, been doing this since mid-2000s. I got videos. If you want to go through all my videos, go back, way back. You'll see some rim lights that we did way long time ago. So not new to this. Been in the game for a long time. But if you're looking for something like this at a really decent price versus some of the other stuff out there, just shoot me a message or go to the website and place an order. Anything else, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.